I just got the same feeling that I get when I wake up in the springtime on a Greek island. The powerful smell of all these herbs. But I also got those beautiful briny Kalamata olives, a little bit of feta cheese for that creaminess. But the best thing of all is that these ancient chickpeas pair really beautifully with ancient quinoa, even though they're from completely different places. And I'm pairing this with a Greek island wine today. This is a blend of Assyrtiko and Viognier, and it's actually from the island of Evia. I knew this would be a nice pairing. This wine is really lemony, fruity aftertaste, and it's got a crispness that pairs really well with all of the complexity of this salad. And it just speaks the language of the Greek islands. Isi Hian.